Alright, so you will not be seeing my face again after this. Okay, what I have done for you is I have watched the entire Miss World competition, and I've taken out all the parts that had to do with Jamaica and Miss Jamaica, and I've combined them so you can say thank me later, because the thing did long and some points were tedious. Cause you know some country you don't really want to hear about them something and all that. But anyway, go ahead and watch the video, right? And it's all about Miss Jamaica and her runner-up, and then she became the winner, and Miss Jamaica is now Miss World. Big things are going through it.
Ninth semi-finalist is Jamaica.
My name is Toni Singh. I am a 23-year-old women's studies and psychology student from the beautiful parish of St. Thomas. My motto is, as we let our own lights shine, we unconsciously give others permission to do the same. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. I am already so grateful to be a part of the Miss World legacy, and honestly, with or without this crown, I will continue to use this platform to advocate for the education and the holistic development of women.
Now, you're one of 28 grandchildren, is that true? So, my question to you is, are you Greek?
You would think so, but I think that in Jamaica we have that same, I guess we do that same thing, you know, we have large families, and
no TVs?
Yes, no, and I'm very grateful for my large family. They're the reason that I'm here now, and they're the reason that I'm so adamant about sharing warmth and love with the rest of the world, because you guys are here, and you know that's what you've given me. Thank you.
Well, congratulations, Jamaica! Congratulations.
Jamaica! Jamaica.
Hello.
I love Jamaica.
Really?
I
Me
love
too.
Jamaica. My friends, Chris Gale, the cricketer,
Yes.
Usain Bolt, the sprint, all my favourite people come from Jamaica. So they'll all be watching, cheering you on.
Hello.
Why should you win? What's special about you?
I think I represent something special. A generation of women that are pushing forward to change the world. I wouldn't say I'm different from any of the women on this stage, but I will say that my passion for women and pouring into them and making sure they have the same opportunities that I've had is something that sets me apart.
Who's the most inspiring woman for you in the world?
So you asked me a question to make me cry. Well, okay. The most inspiring woman to me is my mother. Now, I must say, if my mother and my father are the roots and I am the tree, then really any work that I do, anything that I'm able to change in the world, it is the fruits of their labor. I have watched her pour everything into me, even at the sacrifice of her own wants and her own needs, and that's why I'm able to sit before you today. Thank you. I was told you were going to make me cry, but I didn't think this way.
It took me less than 2 minutes. That's how good I am. Great to meet you.
We have to move on to the next one. Thank you, Jamaica.
And Miss World 2019 is Jamaica.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, SouFLoTV. Oh, go on. See what they done, daddy. Oh, we need 2 pack cover here now. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Come on, come on.
Toni Singh from Jamaica
Toni and
is crowned Miss World 2019.
represent for St. Thomas, she say, and the entire island of Jamaica. Big up St. Thomas, you know. Take your crowd, Queen.
Miss World 2019.
Jamaican people, oh no, Talawa for real, you know. Listen, you know, we have the fastest man and woman in the world. We have the first and second fastest man and woman in the world. That speaks a lot. We also have the #1 artist in the world, because no artist for this year did better than this young lady. Blessings fall upon my life, and so big up to Coffee for that. And Miss World, Miss Jamaica, come out in all her splendor. Look at the outfit she was wearing and everything. Proudly and properly represented us and our heritage. You understand? We had another young lady recently who represented us at Miss Universe, and we had so much to say about the dress and the concept with the dress and all that. So anyway, Jamaican people, big up on yourself once again. Our Miss Jamaica is actually now Miss World. Big things are going for it. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.